it do, y'all? It's your boy Fiero Boy 86, and I'm coming back with a brand new banger for y'all. So in today's video, I'm basically gonna be showing y'all on how to fix y'all license plate light on y'all 85 Pontiac Fiero. If you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me at Fiero Boy underscore 86. Also up on YouTube, TikTok, and Snapchat. All of those gonna be all the same. Fiero Boy underscore 86. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell. So whenever I get to drop new bangers like this, it will come right down to you. Also, please smash that like button for your boy, because you already know it's going down this song. You already know, once again, how we do it. I'm there. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely. So yeah, so right now, I'm about to show y'all how to uninstall y'all license plate light for to switch out the light bulbs, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to put it back in. Pretty much, this right here is not a major issue, but the other day I was actually driving, and I actually got stopped and pulled over by a cop. So I'm basically gonna be showing y'all on how to fix your license plate light. So I will be seeing y'all when I get ready to start on the license plate light. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so to complete this step, all you really need is a small starlight shape, which is this. And so the reason why I say use this is because this right here gonna probably be the closest thing that you have, unless you have like a baby screwdriver that you can use as well, to where you'll be able to take the license plate bulb out. So let's get started. So all you really need to do is go this way. Now I'm going to tell y'all this, it is a little bit tight, so definitely you're gonna have to pretty much put like a little bit of oomph into it, but it's gonna happen, you know what I'm saying? So when taking this out, y'all, make sure that y'all inspect y'all license plate housing, license plate bulb housing, because sometimes this license plate bulb housing could be like rusted out, or also it could also be to where it just won't work. So definitely check out the housing as well. And so this is how you take this out. So basically you're gonna find a bigger hole that's inside of the bumper. Hold on, y'all. Also too, you probably would have to remove y'all license plate, the license plate, because it's kind of hard to take it down. You got your license plate away, so definitely make sure that y'all take off y'all license plate, so then y'all can go ahead and do that. is out, y'all, we can start playing around with this. Get this up now. A little jammed up in there, man, but we're gonna get it up out of there. You know what I'm saying? Nah, y'all, so I have gotten it up out of there. Alright, so now I'm about to ready to show y'all on how to take out the bug. So pretty much on how you take out the bug is you would just turn this little bitty knob in the back, and voila, there goes your bug right there. Now, when you are at the parts store, y'all, I'm about to show you. When you're at the parts store, pretty much you're gonna be looking for 194. So 194 is the number for the part. So whenever you're going to the store, look for 194, but you're gonna end up being the license plate bulbs. Now, with that right there being said, they have all different colors. Now I know on Amazon I did see green, and I seen red, and I seen blue, I seen white. So they have all different colors. This right is more so like the standard yellow color, but they do have other colors to where you'll be able to, you know, do this right here with. So definitely, when you're going to the parts store, look for 194 for your license plate book. So when you're doing that, like I said, just make sure that you check your housing, because with your housing, sometimes your housing can be messed up. Like it could be cracked or it could be chipped up here. So definitely make sure that y'all check that to make sure that it's not cracked or chipped, because sometimes it'll cause the light to reflect out, and so that's not good. So definitely just make sure that y'all check that out. Most definitely. So all right, y'all, so now it's time for the hard part. Psych. Yours is dog. Now, okay, so pretty much this is basically on what it actually looks like, y'all. So like on the day of Texas Whip Fest, that right there's when this light actually went out. So I actually fixed it. I actually fixed it. So pretty much I had to, because of what I said earlier in the video about the police stopping me. Pretty much just make sure whenever I get ready to put this in, make sure that these parts right here are not cracked neither, because a lot of these right here do be cracked, and so your screw ain't gonna go in right. It's gonna go in either sideways or it's gonna go in crooked. So definitely just make sure that these right here are not cracked when putting it back in there. Also too, as you can see on where it is, y'all, as y'all can see, like right here, make sure that your bumper do not have no cracks in there neither, because these bumpers do be having cracks in there, so then your screw ain't gonna go in all the way. So definitely just make sure that you do not have any cracks in there. All right, so I'm about to ready to show y'all on how to put it back in position. So let's get it. All right, y'all, so now I'm actually putting it back in, and just a little bit. So I'm actually putting it back in now. So pretty much I'll get it and press it back up in the bumper. Now this is kind of like a little challenge, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why it's like a little challenge is because you got to make sure that it's lined up with these holes right here. Now I did have like a little bit of trouble doing that, but I'm about to show y'all a quicker way of doing it. So I'm about to show y'all right now. So pretty much all you want to do is when you're doing this, just make sure that it is even with the holes. Alright, yeah, so just make sure that it's even with the holes. And you'll know that it's even. Y'all will know that it's even because yeah, y'all will know when it's even because it's gonna show, like right here. It's gonna literally show in the holes, like right here and right there. So let me see. So what you first want to do, just make sure that you got it lined up. So if you got it lined up, I think I got it turned around, y'all. Hold on. I think I got it turned around. Y'all, so pretty much. Hold on for a second, y'all. I will get right back to you. Alright, so basically what y'all want to do, y'all want to make sure that this screw right here, I don't know if y'all can see up in there, you got to make sure that it's even with the hole, with the license plate above hole. You got to make sure that it's even with the hole, which is kind of hard to see, but you got to really get up under there and actually see it. And as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can actually see it, which is right here, but it's even now. So all I gotta do is just finish by putting the screw off in there, and that's it. So definitely, I'm about to ready to get back with y'all when I get done putting the screw in. Now also, y'all could also use a flashlight, like if it's dark. Y'all can also use a flashlight to actually fix your license plate bulb as well, to where you can actually see where it is up in there. So definitely, y'all. All right, y'all, so I have got the screw inside. I also got this one right here in, and so pretty much, y'all, that's how you fix a license plate light bulb on a 1985 Pontiac Fiero. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share in this video. Also, please drop some big likes up on this video, because y'all already know it's going down this summer, most definitely. So I will be bringing y'all more how-to videos on my 1985 Pontiac Fiero. I said before, please follow me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. Most definitely. Well, it's your boy Fiero Boy 86. You already know what time it is. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Oh, is it a red Fiero? And I'm gone.